This is the summary created from the video, Green Cloud. The ever-growing demand for cloud computing services poses a major challenge for scalability and sustainability due to its massive energy consumption, with data centers spending equal amounts on computing and cooling infrastructure. Cloud computing's on-demand model enables access to shared, configurable resources like networks and storage. Inefficient utilization of energy-hungry resources like servers contributes to high energy consumption across the infrastructure, platform and software layers. IT contributes 2% of global CO2 emissions, and as cloud adoption grows, data centers' energy consumption is expected to rise significantly, with costs potentially reaching 50% of operational expenditures in the coming years. To address scalability and management challenges, data center architecture has evolved to a modern three-tier model with high-speed Ethernet, links and load balancing, but this improved performance comes at the cost of increased energy consumption. Energy models characterize the consumption of IT components like servers and switches in various states, allowing for accurate calculations of power usage and enabling trade-offs between computing capabilities and energy efficiency. Data centers have a significant negative environmental impact and contribute to climate change through massive carbon emissions and electricity consumption, making resource usage and energy efficiency major challenges. As energy costs rise and availability declines, the focus is shifting from pure performance to energy efficiency, with optimized resource management being crucial for reducing power costs and maximizing revenue. Cloud service providers are adapting measures to protect profit margins from high energy costs, such as locating data centers near power sources to reduce transmission losses and adopting green cloud strategies. The green cloud computing architecture incorporates components like a green broker, green middleware, and green software services to enable energy-efficient provisioning, carbon-aware scheduling, and reduced carbon footprint. Power usage effectiveness (PUE) is a key measure for assessing the energy efficiency of data centers, which consume high energy to maintain operations, leading to high costs and environmental impact. Extensive research is needed to maximize energy efficiency in cloud data centers, as cloud computing's high energy consumption has a significant environmental impact, highlighting the need for better energy management and sustainable exploitation of cloud benefits. Optimizing resource management is crucial for energy-efficient clouds, with data centers' environmental impact driving the need for green strategies like locating near power sources, modeling energy components, and adopting green cloud architectures for carbon-aware allocation. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.